Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. May Allah keep you always happy. Ameen. There are different types of cake which are very yummy and delicious. Today we are sharing a very yummy, tasty, quick and easy recipe of cake, which is a vermicelli cake. It is a very unique recipe. To make the vermicelli cake, we will take the vermicelli in the crush form. So we are taking 200 gram vermicelli. We have crushed it very well. It should be in small pieces. We are taking 250 gram khoya, 1 cup boiled milk, half cup sugar. Sugar may be according to taste. 4 tablespoon desi ghee or melted butter can also be used. We are taking some nuts, almonds and pistachio. Now we are starting to make the vermicelli cake. For it, in the first step, we have taken a pan and pour the desi ghee. After that, we are adding sugar in it and we will cook it until it melts. We can also use the icing sugar instead of this type of the sugar. We are stirring continuously to melt the sugar on the low flame, because the sugar may be burned on the high flame. We are also adding 4 tablespoon milk in it to make the syrup. It is the syrup of desi ghee, sugar and milk. Sugar has melted. Now we are adding the crushed vermicelli in it. Mix it well. We are stirring continuously and after some time we will add 2 or 3 tablespoon milk in it according to the requirement. Vermicelli should be soft, but there should be some crunch in it. So if there is need to add some milk in it, then we will also add the milk to soften it, because it should be properly cooked. So we are also adding some milk in it. It is a very quick cake and this is the complete process to cook the vermicelli. So the vermicelli should be completely cooked and should be soft. We are continuously stirring in it. It should be in solid form. Vermicelli are starting to dry. After some time we will turn off the flame. Now we are taking a mold. Mold may be of any shape. We have greased the mold. Vermicelli have completely cooked. Now at this point we are turning off the flame. We will take the half of the vermicelli and will spread in the mold. The main point is vermicelli should spread smoothly and should be pressed with the help of a spatula or any type of the flat thing. In this way we are spreading the vermicelli and pressing in the mold, because it should be pressed very well. First layer of vermicelli have done. Now in the second step we are taking half cup of the milk in a pan and we will add the khoya in it to mix it and to make the rabdi of khoya and milk. With the help of the spoon we will mix the khoya in the milk. We will not add the sugar in the khoya and milk. It will be without sugar. Milk is reducing and it becoming thick. Khoya should be in more quantity as compared to the milk. Granules of the khoya should be crushed or should be in small pieces. It is becoming thick. We are continuously stirring in it. It becomes so thick, so at this point we will turning off the flame. After some time we will take some of it and we will spread on the first layer of the vermicelli. Now we are spreading it on the whole of the layer. Two layers have completed. Now the third layer will be of vermicelli. These are the remaining vermicelli which are spreading on it. We are spreading it we have pressed very well this layer also, because these are necessary to press all the layers very well to make the perfect cake. After pressing and after some time we are separating the edges of the cake with the help of the knife from the mold. We have greased the mold, so now we are separating the cake from the mold. After separating the edges, we are turning the mold on the serving dish. We have turned the mold. Now we are separating the cake from the mold. This is a very nice look of the cake. We can also make more than 3 layers of the vermicelli and khoya, but we have made only 3 layers. Now we will use the remaining khoya for topping on the cake. We are spreading remaining khoya on the top of the cake. It may be spread in any form. After that, we will garnish it with the dry fruits. Now we are garnishing. We have garnished the cake with the nuts. It is a very yummy, quick and delicious cake. Please comment if you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Keep watching and subscribe our channel to get more new recipes. Till then, Allah Hafiz.